Welcome to the 51st Global Conference on International Business and Marketing, taking place from May 16th to 18th, 2025, in the stunning city of Vancouver, Canada. Hosted by Global Conference Alliance, Inc., this premier event brings together industry leaders, academics, and professionals from around the world to explore innovative strategies and emerging trends in international business and marketing. Gain insights from renowned experts who are shaping the future of global commerce. Immerse yourself in Vancouver's vibrant culture while engaging in meaningful discussions that will elevate your understanding of international markets. Whether you're an entrepreneur, corporate executive, marketing professional, or academic, the Conference on International Business and Marketing 2025 offers valuable insights and opportunities tailored to your interests. Join us at the 51st Global Conference on International Business and Marketing in Vancouver. Elevate your career, expand your horizons, and be part of the conversation shaping the future of global business. Register now